Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you are fine. This is Rupali, your English teacher from Vishisht School, Una. So, as you know, we had started chapter number 9 of First Flight and we had completed first 3 parts. Today, we are going to continue with fourth part of the same chapter. So, till here, we had read that Wali had paid the return fare to the conductor and now she was waiting for the bus to start and the conductor was talking with Wali. He asked Wali, "Won't your mother be looking for you?" The conductor asked when he gave the girl her ticket. The conductor gave the ticket to Wali and asked that, "Won't your mother be looking for you? Won't your mother be searching for you?" "No, no one will be looking for me," she said. The bus started and again there were the same wonderful sights. The bus started and now it was going towards the village. So there were again the same beautiful sights which Wali had seen when they were going from village to town. Wali wasn't bored in the slightest and greeted everything with the same excitement she had felt the first time. वली बोर नहीं हो रही थी और वो हर चीज़ को उतनी ही एक्साइटमेंट से देख रही थी जितनी एक्साइटमेंट से उसने गांव से टाउन जाते टाइम हर चीज़ को नोटिस किया था. बट सडनली शी सॉ अ यंग काउ लाइंग डेड बाय द रोड साइड. लेकिन अचानक ही उसने देखा कि एक गाय रोड साइड पे मरी पड़ी थी. Just where it had been struck by some fast moving vehicle, and Wali thought that some fast moving vehicle must have hit the cow. "Isn't that the same cow that ran in front of the bus on our trip to town?" she asked the conductor. And she asked the same question from the conductor, which came into her mind that it was the same cow which was running in front of the bus when they were going to the town. The conductor nodded. The conductor gave a reply and she was overcome with sadness. The conductor gave positive reply and she was now very sad. What had been a lovable, beautiful creature just a little while ago had now suddenly lost its charm and its life and looked so horrible, so frightening as it lay there, legs spread-eagled. Spread-eagled means spread out. अब क्योंकि ये इतना जो चार्मिंग क्रिएचर था अब मर चुका था और अब अपनी इसके टांगे जो हैं वो स्प्रेड हुई हुई थी और ये लेटा हुआ था. A fixed stare in its lifeless eyes, blood all over. The bus moved on. The memory of the dead cow haunted her. The bus was moving and the memory of the dead cow was disturbing Wali, dampening her enthusiasm. She no longer wanted to look out of the window. Now she didn't want to see out of the window. She sat thus. So she kept sitting. वो बैठी रही. अब उसने जब मरी हुई गाय को देखा तो उसके बाद उसका बाहर देखने का मन नहीं रहा था. वो थोड़ी उदास हो गई थी. Glued to her seat. So she kept seated on her seat until the bus reached the village at 3:40. And at 3:40 the bus reached the village. She stood up and stretched herself. Then she turned to the conductor and said, "Well sir, I hope to see you again." वो बस से उतरी और कंडक्टर को she said goodbye and said, "I'll see you again very soon. Hope to see you again soon." कि मैं दोबारा फिर से कोशिश करूँगी कि मैं एक बार टाउन जाके आऊँ. "Okay madam," he answered her smiling. "Whenever you feel like the bus ride, come and join us and don't forget to bring your fare." But he said in a joking voice that whenever you come, kindly bring your fare. She laughed and jumped down from the bus. Then away she went, running straight for home. When she entered her house, she found her mother awake. But when she entered, she noticed that her mother was waking and talking to one of Wali's aunts. the one from South Street. And the mother was having a conversation with Wali's aunt who lives in South Street. This aunt was a real chatterbox. Chatterbox is the one who talks too much, never closing her mouth once she started talking. And where have you been? Said her aunt when Wali came in. जब वली अंदर आई तो मदर की बजाय आंट ने पूछा कि तुम कहाँ थी. She spoke very casually, not expecting a reply. So Wali just smiled and her mother and aunt went on with their conversation. Means the way in which the aunt had asked from Wali, where had you been? It was just a sentence. It was just a talk. It was not a question asked by aunt. So Wali didn't answer. She just smiled. जैसे एक तो होता है कि हम किसी से पूरे क्वेश्चन वे में पूछते हैं कि हाँ जी बताओ तुम कहाँ थे. एक होता है कहाँ गए थे तुम. हंसते हंसते बोला और उसने भी आगे से स्माइल कर दी. दैट्स इट. बात ख़त्म हो गई. सो yes, not expecting a reply. So Wali also she just smiled and her mother and aunt went on with their conversation. Yes, you are right, her mother said. And now the mother was answering the question, the talk of aunt. So many things in our midst and in the world outside. हाउ कैन वी पॉसिबली नो अबाउट एवरीथिंग. तो मदर ने आंट की बात का जवाब दिया कि हाँ यहाँ पे बहुत सी बातें होती हैं, अब हम कितनी की बातों को जान सकते हैं. एंड इवन व्हेन वी डू नो अबाउट समथिंग वी ऑफन कांट अंडरस्टैंड इट कम्प्लीटली. कैन वी, कि अगर हमें सभी बातों का पता चल भी जाता है तो भी हम सब बातों को अच्छे से नहीं अंडरस्टैंड कर पाते. ओ येस, ब्रीदिड वली. वली ने इस बात का आंसर दिया. वॉट आस्क्ड हर मदर. व्हाट्स दैट यू से. मदर ने पूछा क्या क्या, तुम क्या कहना चाह रही हो. मतलब इस बात को वली अपने ऊपर लेके जाती है और इस तरीके से वो येस बोलती है. तो मदर एकदम से रिप्लाई करती है कि व्हाट डू यू वांट टू से, फॉर व्हाट यू आर सेइंग येस. Oh, said Wali, I was just agreeing with what you said about the things happening without our knowledge. वली फिर बोलती है नहीं नहीं कुछ नहीं, मैं तो सिर्फ ये आपके साथ एग्री हो रही थी उन चीज़ों के बारे में जो चीज़ें ऐसी होती हैं जिनके बारे में हमें ज़्यादा नॉलेज नहीं होती. जस्ट अ शिट ऑफ अ गर्ल शी इज़, सेड हर आंट. एंड द आंट सेड दैट शी इज़ अ शिट ऑफ अ गर्ल एंड yet look how she pokes her nose into our conversation. और फिर आंट बोलती है कि देखो ज़रा अब ये हमारी बात में भी कैसे इंटरेस्ट ले रही है. जस्ट एज दो शी वर अ ग्रोन लेडी, जैसे कि ये एक बहुत बड़ी औरत हो. वली स्माइल टू हर सेल्फ. फिर वली अपने मन में ही स्माइल किया उसने. शी डिडंट वॉन्ट देम टू अंडरस्टैंड हर स्माइल. एक्चुअल में वली नहीं चाहती थी कि उन औरतों को उसकी स्माइल का रीज़न पता चले. शी डिडंट वॉन्ट देम टू अंडरस्टैंड हर स्माइल, बट देन देयर वॉजंट मच चांस ऑफ दैट वॉज देयर. और वली के अकॉर्डिंग वहाँ कोई ऐसा चांस भी नहीं था कि किसी को इस बात का पता चल जाता कि वली क्यों स्माइल कर रही थी, या किसी को इस बात का पता चल जाता कि वली बस में एक राइट टाउन की लेके आई थी. राइट, दैट्स ऑल विद द रीडिंग ऑफ द चैप्टर. Tomorrow we'll do the question answer. So okay, bye students, have a nice day ahead.